The P0463 diagnostic trouble code is a specific error that indicates your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected an abnormally high voltage signal from the fuel level sensor. This code specifically triggers when the voltage signal exceeds the normal maximum threshold, typically above 4.5 to 5.0 volts. To understand this error, we need to examine the normal operating voltage range of fuel level sensors. The system operates on a simple principle where different fuel levels correspond to different voltage readings. When the sensor voltage exceeds this normal range and enters the high input zone, the PCM triggers the P0463 code to alert you of the malfunction. Fuel level sensors typically use a resistive float system. This diagram shows how the system works. A float moves up and down with the fuel level connected to a sliding contact on a variable resistor. As the float position changes, it alters the resistance in the circuit, which directly affects the voltage signal sent to the powertrain control module. The signal path is straightforward but critical. The fuel level sensor sends its voltage signal to the PCM, which then processes this information and sends it to the instrument cluster for display on your fuel gauge. When the PCM detects a voltage signal above the normal range, it immediately sets the P0463 code and may trigger warning lights on your dashboard. Modern vehicles use enhanced OBD2 scanners that provide real-time fuel level sensor voltage readings, making P0463 diagnosis much more precise than older methods. These advanced diagnostic tools can command fuel gauge tests directly through the PCM and monitor sensor behavior during different operating conditions. In modern vehicles, fuel level data doesn't just control the fuel gauge. It interfaces with navigation systems for range calculations, telematics for fleet management, and advanced driver assistance systems for route planning. This integration means that a P0463 code can affect more than just your fuel gauge. It may impact navigation accuracy, fleet tracking systems, and even advanced safety features that rely on fuel level data. When facing a P0463 code, success depends on following a systematic diagnostic approach. This methodical process will help you identify the root cause efficiently and avoid unnecessary part replacements. Step 1 involves scanning for related diagnostic trouble codes. Look specifically for P461, P0462, and P0464, as these codes often appear together and provide valuable clues about the fuel system's overall condition. Live data analysis is crucial for accurate diagnosis. Monitor the fuel level sensor voltage as you add fuel to the tank. Normal voltage should range from 0.5 volts when empty to 4.5 volts when full. Values consistently above 4.5 volts confirm the P0463 high input condition. Wiring inspection focuses on ground connections between the fuel tank and vehicle body. Corrosion at these connection points is a leading cause of P0463 codes. Pay special attention to connector terminals and ensure they're clean and properly seated. Common causes of P0463 codes break down into 5 main categories. Faulty fuel level sensors account for nearly half of all cases, followed by wiring harness issues and corroded connections. PCM malfunctions are less common, but still possible. A real-world example demonstrates effective P0463 repair. Ford F-150 models from 2018 to 2022 experienced widespread P0463 codes due to fuel pump module connector corrosion. The solution involved replacing the corroded connector and applying dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. When PCM malfunction is suspected, proper diagnosis is essential before replacement. The PCM rarely fails completely, but may develop communication issues or calibration problems that affect fuel level sensor readings. Prevention strategies can significantly reduce P0463 occurrences. Regular fuel system cleaning every 30,000 miles, using quality fuel, maintaining electrical connections during routine service, and keeping software updated all contribute to reliable fuel level sensor operation.